Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals and other favorites. And you joined me just in time. I'm in the garden harvesting fresh herbs, onions, and the first tomatoes from my spring 2021 garden. And guess what I'm going to cook for dinner? Yes, lasagna. Come on, let's start cooking. Making a quick little dinner. Turkey lasagna. Brown turkey lasagna. I use fresh parsley, fresh thyme, and oregano. A teaspoon of olive oil. Cook my meat completely. That looks delicious. Yum, yum, yum. So this lasagna recipe for 2021 using fresh herbs from the garden. And I like to put cook my tomatoes in with my turkey meat when I am using, or when I'm making a Italian recipe. It just gives it that extra flavor. So the meat is ready, and there you go. And I'm gonna let that cool down. Normally I make my lasagna with eggplant, and since there is no eggplants ready to be harvested, and my husband actually had a taste for the actual noodles, so I went ahead and put some noodles on, and those are ready to, actually those are ready. I added a little bit of parsley. I like to add parsley to my water, so the noodles are ready. You don't want them to overcook, because they're going to bake about 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so noodles are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and drain those, and then I will assemble my lasagna. I am gonna use ricotta cheese, and then mozzarella cheese, and then probably a half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. So that's how I do it. I just kind of layer it. And then as a side, I'm making a fresh salad. The lettuce was from the garden. Quick dinner, and it's one of my favorites. If you're vegan, to substitute, you can use a substitute meat, or you can just use all vegetables, which I prefer, but my husband is requesting this recipe for today's dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the turkey meat, and then I will add the noodles. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Go back and check out my playlist. I do have a lasagna recipe, but this is a new year, 2021, and I'm using my fresh herbs for the spring 2021, and I'm going to use tomato that I picked today from the garden. Watch to the end. I'm going to bake it on 425 for about 30 minutes or so, and then probably make some fresh garlic bread, and then dinner will be ready. Hope everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful Friday. Happy Friday, happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your loved ones. And I will see you next Friday in my next update. If you're new to my channel, I update on Fridays, or if there's a special occasion, I will add extra videos throughout the week. But yeah, so thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate all your support. This video, the biggest thumbs up go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss my next update. Yes, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? I'll see you